The mediation program here at Harshman has probably been going on at least 4 years.
Well, we was having 3 or 4 fights a day when I first worked here, every bit of it. So when it shifted, when Peace Learning Center came in and gave us the idea of having peace mediators, I'm like, well, let's do it. Once all the kids bought into it, and then it became a success. More and more kids want to do it. Even now, once we close the gap in the beginning of school, we close the gap, but when it's over with, like the first weeks of school, the kids still want to be a mediator. So that's made me like, wow, okay, we got to keep doing this because, like I told them, I said, if everybody want to do it, our whole school will be peace mediators. I said, you know, we win with everybody be a peer mediator, so let's do it.
Whenever students get into a conflict, they can refer themselves to a mediation, or a teacher can refer them to a mediation.
And we use this term, let's talk about it. That's one of our phrases right there. We talk about it a lot. If you see that science around the building a lot, that became our cause. And if you see the A and that A, there's two people talking, that's the mediation.
During peer mediation, you could actually find that there's like always a reason behind the problem. And if you just go to the reason and find the root of the problem, you could always solve the problem.
We've got less fighting. We now have a buy-in, so everybody is willing to call us and say, let's mediate.
So at Harshman, of course, this is middle school, there's always going to be a problem with social media. We would bring the people in, just introduce ourselves, and just try to set up, like, just make them comfortable, make sure we're okay to be their mediators. And then we go and see both sides of the problem, and we'd see what the people need to be okay about the problem, if they need like an apology, to see like what they need to be okay.
Like if a student gets put out of class or gets suspended, like they're still gonna be angry. And like after a mediation, that can like restore peace.
The word mediation has grown so far. I sit back and I hear kids, and I tell you, I be down the hall and I hear kids say, hey, remember the last mediation you have? And the word just constantly comes up, mediation, comes up ringing. So that let me know that the school bought into it and the kids bought into it. Kids still want to do it because they see other kids helping other kids.
I feel like the peer mediation program could work at any school, any place.
The fact that other schools want what we have makes me feel proud of like this program and how well we're doing. And I think this program really helps the school, and it makes it a safer environment for everybody.